This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights new auxiliary cameras, a new online fleet hardware store, a new tool for vehicle replacement decisions, and more. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Smith System company Utilimark, which provides fleet analytics and benchmarking, has launched SmartReplace, an AI-powered workflow tool that helps fleets make faster, more confident vehicle replacement decisions. SmartReplace users simply upload existing inventory, utilization, maintenance, and work order files and specify their business priorities. The solution then uses specialized AI agents to map fleet data into its optimization model, which evaluates replacement needs against budgets, operational requirements, and sector-specific requirements. The workflow guides users through data validation, business rule configuration, and feasibility checks, then generates an optimized replacement strategy. For each recommendation, the user receives a detailed asset-specific model explaining rationale, timing, and optimal next steps. Vehicle replacement scores help fleets prioritize assets, and built-in scenario modeling enables users to evaluate alternative strategies as budgets, production schedules, or operational priorities change. Freight brokers using TIE Software's TMS can now access the DAT Freight and Analytics Convoy platform's automated freight matching technology. TIE Software provides a cloud-based TMS for freight brokers and third-party logistics companies. Accessing Convoy platform within TIE TMS allows brokers to source qualified truckload carriers and automate freight transactions without interrupting their workflow. Fleet management, TMS, and compliance tech provider Trucking Hub has introduced the Trucking Hub store. The online fleet hardware store, built specifically for trucking companies, offers a catalog of products including ELDs, GPS trackers, dashcams, and more from established fleet hardware manufacturers. Trucking Hub's founder and CEO said, "Fleets should not have to buy ELDs from one company, tablets from another, and installation equipment from several different vendors, then figure out whether everything will work together. We built the Trucking Hub store to give carriers one trusted source for quality hardware that is in stock, configured correctly, and ready to deploy. Equipment can be pre-configured with cellular connectivity, reporting settings, mobile device management, and Trucking Hub software. This approach helps carriers reduce setup time, avoid compatibility problems, and deploy hardware more quickly across their fleets." Kooner Fleet Management Solutions has been named a premier partner within Fleetio's maintenance shop network, combining its on-site and mobile service model with Fleetio's fleet maintenance and optimization platform. Fleetio's partner program brings service providers and technology partners together to build a more integrated fleet optimization ecosystem. Kooner offers a comprehensive suite of services, including fleet optimization, 24/7 vehicle maintenance and repair, driver safety training, compliance management, and advanced technologies for real-time fleet monitoring and analytics. GPS fleet tracking and safety tech provider Linxup has rolled out 2 new rear-facing auxiliary cameras that hardwire directly into the existing LinxCam system. LinxCam Rear Vision supports proof of service, asset monitoring, and rear-end collision documentation. It is best suited for fleets in towing, waste management, delivery, and other service industries that need visibility into work performed behind the vehicle. LinxCam Rear Vision Slimline provides rear visibility in a compact form factor that mounts above the license plate, making it ideal for fleets focused primarily on rear-end collision documentation and vehicle visibility. Spotter AI, an AI-powered software solutions provider for trucking carriers, freight brokers, and logistics operators, has integrated its real-time freight market intelligence and rate analytics tool with Spotter TMS. With Spotter Lens now available inside Spotter TMS, fleets can use market intelligence in the same environment where they are already managing transportation workflows. Users can view freight demand through a color-coded map, filter market data by van, reefer, or flatbed, track market rankings and daily changes, and explore historical trends that support dispatch and lane planning. Spotter TMS helps carriers manage dispatch operations and fleet workflows, while Spotter Lens adds freight market visibility that can support route planning, lane evaluation, and stronger operational decisions. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.